Hello and welcome to day number 72 of our Travel Trader series, and I gotta give you a real quick update because I'm about to go downstairs on stage and I don't want to let the people wait for my speech tonight, but I wanted to give you a quick update because what we were talking about yesterday was unfolding today. So basically I showed you how to risk-free make money with either putting an order in when it drops down or if it would go up or when we go sideways. And as you might have noticed, today it went down, which worked out pretty well. So we made 3,500 euro in the drop down. So that was pretty much finished for the day. We closed the week trade, which was a negative one. So we lost 540 or something, I think. I'll post later on an update on the trade so you can see the numbers exactly. I didn't write them down anywhere, so I just checked it today briefly. And as I said, I now gotta rush and hurry down. I'm a little bit late actually, unfortunately, but I will give you more update tomorrow, and then we will talk about how to adjust for the current situation, which trades are about to come and how we can make some money. And we might also over the weekend have a look at the list of stocks that we might buy in the long term, because now that everything becomes cheap, we would get a really good entry price, good dividend yield. So we might have a look at something that we might buy and hold on to error. So thank you very much for watching. I will talk to you again tomorrow, and yeah, have a great evening. And maybe if you're from Amsterdam, I will see you again in 2 minutes or so. So thank you and goodbye.